Hey guys, welcome to Speak About Digital. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily use Notion. I'm going to cover a very quick basic tutorial to get you going and understand how Notion works. So if you have no idea about Notion and how to get started, then this video is for you. Notion is a powerful productivity and organization tool that allows you to manage your tasks, projects, notes, and much more all in one place. In this tutorial, we will go through the basics of using Notion and cover some useful tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this tool. Just before we start, please consider giving me a thumbs up, otherwise I'll go ahead and jump right into the Notion tutorial. The first thing that you want to do is, if you didn't create your account yet, you will have a link down below in the description. It's very easy to create an account. And if you already have an account, just skip this step. So here we are in my Notion account. First, I'll show you what you can actually find in Notion, and then I'll show you how we can use Notion. So, after logging into your Notion account, you will be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your workspace and allows you to easily navigate to different sections on the platform. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will find the left navigation panel. This panel includes various sections. The Profile section allows you to manage your account and access various features. You can create a work account, add another account, or download the Notion Windows app. Under your profile name, the number of members associated with your account is displayed. The Search panel allows you to find anything within your Notion account. You can search for specific projects, workspaces, templates, and more, making it easy to find what you need quickly. The Updates panel keeps you informed of any changes to your account. This panel includes 3 sections: Inbox, Archived, and All. The Inbox section displays notifications when someone mentions you, replies to your comments, or invites you to a page. If you archive any inbox updates, they will show up in the Archived section of Updates. The All section shows you all the updates related to your account. Under All Team Spaces, here you can see all your team spaces and create a new one. A team space is where your team can organize pages, permissions, and members. This panel helps you to use Notion with your team by creating your first team space. To create a new team space, enter the name of the team space and the icon for it. Then, write details about your team space and click Create Team Space. This feature helps you manage your team's collaboration within the platform. The Settings and Members panel allows you to manage your profile and workspace settings. In the Profile section, you can manage My Notifications and Settings, My Connections, and Language and Region. In the Workspace section, you can manage settings, members, upgrades, billing, security, identity, and provisioning, and more. This panel also shows you the number of members and groups associated with your account. Furthermore, in this panel, you can invite people to join your workspace and add members to your workspace. The Private panel helps you create pages and get started with the platform. Here, you can create new imports, templates, tables, boards, timelines, and calendars. This panel provides a comprehensive list of options to help you get started with Notion. Templates in Notion is a collection of pre-designed templates for different categories such as design, life, product management, engineering, marketing, and more. These templates can be used for a variety of purposes such as creating to-do lists, projects and tasks, meetings, docs, and more. To use a template, all you need to do is select the desired template and click on Get Template to add it to your workspace. For example, starting with a Projects and Tasks template that's ready to go, you can create a fully customized system that suits the way you work best. One project can have many tasks, but each task should only relate to a single project. Your projects have properties like status, people, related tasks, and related task completion %. And the tasks have the properties for the assignee, due date, and status. The Import panel in Notion allows you to import files in various formats such as Asana, Evernote, Trello, CSV, and more. This makes it easy to transfer your data from other platforms to Notion without losing any information. The Trash panel includes all deleted pages. If you accidentally delete a page, you can easily restore it from this panel. The New Page at the bottom left corner of the dashboard helps you to add new items such as imports, templates, tables, boards, timelines, calendars, and more. This makes it easy to create new pages and organize your information efficiently. In Notion, you have the flexibility to customize your workspace based on your preferences. One of the customization options is the ability to hide the left navigation panel. This feature is especially useful when you want to focus on your work without any distractions. If you want to bring back the panel, simply hover over the top left corner of the screen and click on the arrows again. Moreover, you can also resize the left navigation panel to get more or less space. This feature is helpful when you want to expand the space for your workspace or reduce the navigation panel to see more content on the screen. So, creating a new page in Notion is a simple process that can be done in two ways. The first way is clicking on the plus new page button at the bottom left corner of the screen. The second way is by clicking on the plus button next to Private. After clicking on either option, a pop-up window will appear, and you should select Empty Page to create a new blank page. Once you have created the page, you can give it a name and customize it as per your preference. To customize the page, hover over the page name and you will see three different options: Add Icon, Add Cover, and Add Comment. To add an icon, click on the icon and choose from the three available options: Emojis, Icons, and Custom. You can select an emoji from the Emojis section or choose an icon from the Icons section. Moreover, you can also upload your own image as an icon, but the size of the image should not exceed 5 megabytes. To add a cover to your page, hover over the page name and click on Add Cover. Notion will automatically set up a cover image for you, but you can change it as per your preference. You will see four options: Gallery, Upload, Link, and Unsplash. You can choose an image from the gallery, upload an image from your computer, paste a link to set up an image, or select from the Unsplash section, which contains stock images. You can also reposition the cover image. You can then drag the image to the desired location. If you want to add comments to your page, you can do so by clicking on Add Comment. Notion is built on blocks, and there's a drop-down menu attached to each block that lets you turn it into any other kind of block, add a new block underneath it, or turn it into a page. You can also customize the page and font style by clicking on the three dots at the upper right corner of the page. From there, you will see different options to customize your page and font style. Notion also creates and uses real databases, not just spreadsheets with content actually stored elsewhere. You can create 5 different types of databases in Notion: List, Gallery, Table, Board, Calendar. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Notion. There are more things to learn about Notion, so if you're interested in an advanced tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make it happen whenever I get a chance. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot. Thank you! So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.